Hi, this is Divya from SNS College of Technology in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. We are going to discuss about essence of Indian traditional knowledge in Unit 1 Ancient Indian State Polity. Under this, we are going to see the ashrama or the stage of life. In previous video, we have discussed about the social life of an ancient people. Now we are going to discuss about the stages of life. Ashrama or the stages of life. Ashrama system denotes the Hindu scheme of life according to which different stages in life of an individual are well ordered. The average lifespan of an individual is considered to be 100 years and divided into four stages, each stage having a time span of 25 years. There are four ashramas. First one is Brahmacharya Ashrama or the stage of studentship. This is the first stage of life. It is meant for acquiring knowledge and developing discipline and molding character. It is the student stage of life and preparing for success in later stages of life. Individuals should also gain religious training in order to lay the foundation for spiritual practice. Traditionally, education started somewhere between 5 and 8 years of age and continuing to 14 to 20 scriptures. I specifically mention education for both boys and girls. In a modern era, this is the period up through college, vocational training, etc. Here the term refers to a mode of behavior. Brahmacharya also refers to one of the yama. This refers to the mode of behavior and traditionally understood to mean cleansing, but sometimes more liberally interpreted to mean self-restraint and moderation. In this stage, starts with the ceremony called Upanyama or investitude with the scarred thread. Now the person become a brahmacharina, leading a calibrate and unmarried life and strict life as a student at the home of his teacher. Next one is Grihashrama or the stage of householder. In this stage, this stage starts at marriage. When the student has completed his studentship and ready to take up the duties and responsibilities of household wife. In this stage, the individual gets married and earns money and begets children. The individual pursues wealth and pleasure within the limits of moral law. The second stage, also called the Grigrastra. It follows that what most people do naturally after leaving school and maintaining a home, having a family. Though some people choose to forgo having children or remain single for one reason or another, most Hindus choose to practice their spirituality while raising families. Marriage is given a high priority in Hindu culture, and there is much in Hindu scriptures detailing how to make marriage as successful as possible. Individuals are encouraged to produce and distribute wealth, fulfilling the goal of Artha, and experience pleasure while acting ethically. In essence, though the exact details of how this is done may be different, individuals try to be supportive family members and productive member of society. Next one is Vanaprastha Ashrama at the stage of retirement. After discharging all the duties and applications as a householder, the individual enters into the Vanaprashrama stage. It consists of the third quarters of person's life. In this phase, after retiring from active life, the individual dedicates himself to a life of spiritual contemplation. He leaves his home and goes to the forest and becomes a hermit. Next one is Sanyashrama stage or the stage of reunion. This is the last stage of life. Now the individual lives his hermitage and becomes a homeless wanderer with all his earthly ties broken. The sannyasin aspects and acts to attain liberations only. The sannyasa means reunionization. There are two traditional entry points into this stage of life. Those few Hindus who from early age have calling or want to live an entire life immersed in spiritual study and a monastic lifestyle under the direction of Guru, exclusively pursuing the goal of moksha and enter into this stage at a young age. Other Hindus who have lived a more traditional life enter into the period of reunification following stages two or more. to our mode. In both cases, in their own way, having fulfilled all prayer obligations, a person is free to devote themselves entirely to spiritual growth. A sannyasin lives a very simple life, substituting on a minimum of material possessions and devoting themselves to non-violence. The goal is to attain liberation from the cycle of birth and rebirth. Thank you.